Hi, this is John at MCM. I just wanted to kind of go over some of the cars we got here. I think it's the most D-Series swaps in one place. Up first, kind of an informal video, but this is the new shop car I've been working on. It's an 83 Mini with some 60 styling. The power plant is a 998 board 60 over, pocketed block, 1275 head. It's got a Kent 296 cam. I'm trying to think of some of the other goodies. It's a fun little car, a 6-point cage in it, later seats. Just threw on the rose petals. Used to hate these wheels, love them now. Then we got the Honda K-Series powered Mini. Do more on this later. Got some 10-inch SSR 2-piece wheels, some Bride seats. The race stash in here, 1-piece fiberglass. Got the 1-piece extended front, make room for the big K. And here's what I really wanted to talk about was the 64 pickup. This is what we consider our roller build. And essentially you drop off your Mini, we pull out the old motor, and put in our kit. So what that entails is we put in our custom subframe, we drop in a supplied motor by the customer, and we put on our accessories such as our tucked header, custom intake manifold, radiator, clutch adapter. Now this is a left-hand drive conversion. You can see on here the clearance we've made, and this is our manifold fits left-hand drive or right-hand drive, and you can use a dual yellow tag brake master. And this is our clutch adapter here that lets you retain stock pedals while using a Honda clutch master. And then we have a nice single braided line down to the slave cylinder. Here's another nice little piece. It's a billet 90-degree water neck, kind of aids in giving you a little bit better position to run the hose to the radiator. So roller build, motor installed, brakes, steering, suspension, brake lines made up. In here we have the Willwood bias valve, which is a nice piece. And you pretty much customers responsible for doing wiring at this point and picking their gauges. So this truck was a right-hand drive, and now she's a lefty, with the custom bench seat that I made for Scott a few years back. And then we got the Morris Minor, the V6 Camaro engine. This is almost done. Did a 1-piece headliner, full custom interior. More on that later. Then we got the 68 pickup. A lot of work's gone into this. A lot of body work had to happen. And we ended up grafting some Aussie roll-up window doors on there. Another D-Series. Great power plant and a Mini. And lastly, last D-Series that's here right now, it's 1275 GT. It's getting close. here you can see one of our dashes that we did. With the speed hut gauges. They're beautiful gauges. Check those bad boys out. And then also they offer the white variety. You know, you can pick them however you like. It's a nice little chin spoiler. Yeah, so that's about it. Hope you enjoyed.